Guys, how to convert your Google Sheets into PDF. Click on File, over cursor to download, and here click on PDF. Here you can customize settings like you can export current sheet, workbook, or selected cells. Here you can remove or add particular sheets. Here you can change paper size, normal, margin you can set here, and there are some more options. You can show the grid lines, show notes, header and footer if you have the page number, sheet name, current time, date. And once you done these all settings, just click on export like this. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.